Hi, this is our project, and coming to the hardware, the entire project is operating as like shown in the video in the YouTube. But once again, I will explain how our project is working. So in YouTube video, you have seen for temperature sensor LM35. Instead of LM35, we have used DS18B20. DS18B20 is a temperature sensor, and it is high reliable than LM35. Now LM35 sensors are not coming, they're out of stock. That's what we are using, this temperature sensor. This temperature sensor is more reliable than LM35. We can dip into the water, we can uh, keep in atmosphere, or we can touch to any body like that. But LM35 has some limitations, but it has more advantage than that. So, and coming to the other sensor, this is fire sensor, and this is LDR sensor to detect light day and night, and this is smoke sensor or gas sensor, we can call it in any way. And coming to this is fan, and this is light, and these two are relays to control this fan and light. And Arduino Uno and its daughter board, it has power supply to take input as a 12 volts and give 5 volts with 7805 regulator, and it has all IO lines. We can connect all IO lines easily by using this daughter board. And this is LCD. If you want to change the code, then you can remove this board like this, and you can dump the code into this, and you have to keep in proper way. You have to keep it in proper way. And this is Wi-Fi module ESP8266 and its daughter board. It is taking 12 volts and it is giving 5 volts and 3.3 volts to operate this Wi-Fi module. This is ESP8266, and these are the hardware things. These things explained in video. And coming to the operation, it has this power cord to power on this bulb, and it has 12 volts 1 amp adapter. We have to keep it in power, and before going to switch on, we have to keep all sensors away from each other, and away from this board also, this entire circuit. Why? Because if you touch each other, then it has 5 volts and ground somewhere, and it has 5 volts and ground somewhere. If both are touching and we are giving power, then there may be chance to damaging the circuit. So that for any kind of project, you have to keep all sensors away from each other like this. So better to keep like this. Okay, for showing LDR, we have to show in front of light, and for darkness you have to close like this. And for fire sensor, you have to shown light, high intensity light in front of this, or we can show fire also. And coming to the smoke, you have to show agarbatti or any smoke kind of thing. And for temperature, we have to use soldering rod in front of temperature sensor to raise temperature sensor. And the operation of this is, initially you have to create hotspot in mobile with username IoT server and password IoT server 123. All are small letters. We have to create these hotspot settings in mobile, and that mobile should be Android, not iPhone, and that mobile should be Airtel Idea or Airtel VI SIMs or BSNL SIMs. The mobiles which has iPhones and Jio SIMs, those are not giving a hotspot properly to outer devices like Wi-Fi module. So better to take Android phone, and it should have Airtel or VI SIMs. And we have to create a hotspot with respect to the credentials IoT server and IoT server 123, all are small letters without any spaces. Then we have to power on. So initially title is displaying, and it is trying to connecting to Wi-Fi. Once after successfully connected, Wi-Fi ready, that means it is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Then సురేష్ ఒక్కసారి దీనికి చూపించా. So if you show like this, then fan will be on the screen. It is showing fire on. And coming to the smoke, we have to show otherwise. and meanwhile we will show temperature. I'm showing temperature, and the temperature is also increasing. 30, 31, slowly it will increase. 32. It will take some time to absorb temperature from the soldering rod. ఇలా పట్టుకో ఒకసారి. Whenever it crosses 50, then it will upload to server. So sometimes whenever in the time based event, if it is uploading to server, that time it is not reading sensors data. That's what it is seems to be stuck. But now 47, now it crosses 80. So 80 means it is more. Then also for every 30 second LCD also clear all the sensors data and regain all the data after uploading. So like this it will work.